Hey everyone, enjoy the show. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What we have here being modeled by our little doll here named Georgia is a yellow cab hat. It's made of some kind of, it's like a vinyl hat. Yes, it is vinyl, not leather. But anyways, this would have been an authentic hat that would have been worn back in the days when there actually was pre-Uber, if you will. So if you're looking for a little bit of public transportation history, this might be for you. It doesn't look that great on Georgia. She looks better in her sailor hat, so check it out.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.